Good morning, everyone. This is Sunny. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. I hope everybody's been doing well over the last couple of days. Okay, let's get busy and let's start looking at the market here. Let's see what's going on. Aha! The market is up. All right, what's going on, guys? Yeah, last night there was there was some news last night on Meridian data in reference to the vaccine, and they're having high hopes on this vaccine that's going to help people, so folks won't get sick. So I hope this happens because that'll be good for our country and, good for the world if we get these vaccines out there quicker. Okay, so what we had was a positive spike this morning because of it. And as you can see here, our stock shot up. Our NCLH has shot up to over $16 to $16.50. Our ET jumped up. Our WIN jumped up. So let's check out ET for a quick second here. I definitely like this. Up 3%. It's been a while since ET jumped up like this. Okay, we're still waiting on the pipeline information from that 3-panel judge. Remember, the Corps of Engineers took the case to the district court to overturn that other judge ruling, and at least try to make a stay of shutting down the pipeline up there in North Dakota. So if we get any good news about that, and this thing will bump back up over $7 a share. Okay, but it's always good news to see this thing pop back up. I'd really like it to be at $7.50 by the end of the week, but but we're going to need to have that good news plus the dividends news come out. And this thing will definitely pop up to $7.50 if both those news come out in a positive light. So, okay, let's get back over here to our watch list. And then let's take a gander at the other two stocks, what they're looking like here. Well, NCLH, we know how this thing just jumps up and down and all that stuff. Okay. Yeah, it would have been great if we would have picked a 16 call on this or a 15.50, but we didn't know this information was going to come out like this. And remember, we always try to get some type of protection so we can sleep at night. And the same as WIN. Look at how that thing jumped right up. Over $83, way above our strike price. But it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. Let's pull out of here. This will be a quick video for us. Oh, let's go look at our balances and stuff. Let's see what's going on here. All right, let me correct all this stuff here. Oh yeah. Let's look at our brokerage account first. Okay, look at our brokerage account. You see all this stuff in the red? You see the calls in the red for WIN and stuff? When they're in the red like that, it's because the stock price went up. Okay? Because the stock price went up. So you see it here. All right. And that's good to see right here that ET went up $520 in one day between the 2,000 shares. That's good. Our losses is looking a lot less, right? But remember, we got these covered calls against it for premium here that we're going to pick up. So it's looking good. And all right, let's see what the balance is here. Uh-oh. 33,700. Now we can't claim all this. Remember, it's the volatility of the options. Okay, so you're going to see a lesser amount in my description column. I'm going to put the account balances now in the description, and I'm going to show it to you. You know, each one of these videos. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull away from here. All right, now let's look at our spreadsheet here where our profits are going to be for this week. Remember, we have a couple of different options that are expiring on the 17th of July. That'll be Friday, and remember, we get paid on Saturdays. So even though Fridays are expiration dates, but it actually, for paperwork purposes, it gets settled on Saturday with the brokerages. Okay. Now, we're looking at picking up $294 this week. That's counting all these options here. And that'll be a total almost close to 4% within a 2-week period. Okay, and our NCLH, remember we do weeklies on this one. So we're going to pick up 2.49% for 1 week. Not bad. If we can do 2% every week, that would be 8% a month. Okay, we're going to get 96%. That means we're going to double our money in a year, just off of this one stock. just in premiums that come in, because they don't pay dividends. So all we do is get premium here between these two, because they don't pay dividends. So, all right, our ET up here. We already know what our plan is. Okay. This option will expire this week on the 17th of July, and then we're going to roll it over. We're probably going to roll it right on top of this one here, do the 650 for the 31st, the last day of the month in July. But if we're looking better than 660 or 670, we might go for the 7 options, okay, for the same time period, okay? And that'll give us a better perspective outcome on all this. Remember, we had to perform these actions because the price kept dropping in the stock. Remember, we bought the stock kind of high at $8.24 a share. Okay, so what we're trying to do is mitigate our losses by keep doing selling call options against the position. All right, keep getting all these premiums, and then bring something else in once it's low enough, and it's called dollar cost averaging to bring the cost down to $6.80 cost basis between the two, with a couple of these options helping. So because of that, we can probably pull out of this position, just double down on this one here. Roll the 715 to the 650 if we wanted to, get some more premium, which will be higher than this 333, and then and close out the positions together on the 31st of July. Make a little bit of income off of it, but we protected our losses. Okay, so I did it this way so I can show it to you guys. I could have bought more. I could have bought 2,000 shares at a lower price, and then I could have put these options on it and then shoot up our profits here if I wanted to. I could have done that. But I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to use margin. I didn't want to use anything. I just wanted to do it like a normal person would have had to do, to wait with smaller accounts. Okay? Because you don't want all your eggs in one basket. Because it could take a while just to break even in a certain stock when you have these type of losses, when you bought at the high and the prices keeps going down and down and down because of the information that comes out, or the market's going down. So this is a lesson in learning on how to recoup any type when you end up going into a position that's too high and the market corrects it. Even though this wasn't too high, it's just being sold off by the shorts. The shorts are playing games with this stock. So, like I said, stocks go up and stocks go down. We don't get nervous. It just takes us a little while. We end up getting our money back, and then we'll break even. We'll make some more money on top of the money, by doing dollar cost averaging, get in at a lower price, average it out, and put some options on that too. You know what I'm saying? And make some profits off of that, and it evens it all out. And then you'll make some profit at the end. But you still got all that premium that protects on the downward protection here. So I hope you understood that. Okay, like I said, I'm going to make this a short video. We're going to pick up all this here. It looks like we're going to be over our... We're going to be way over our 3% once these two guys come to mature. Once they expire or get assigned. Both of them will get assigned this weekend. Once both of them are assigned, then we can realize this profit here, and then we're way over our 3%. We'll be close to 6% this month. This is going to be incredible. Yeah, because remember, we still have 2 more weeks. 2 more Fridays this month. So we're going to pull in some premium. Okay, I appreciate everybody watching my channel. And smash the like button and subscribe so you can get all my future videos. And talk to you all on Friday on our payday. Okay, this is Sonny. I'm out.